I have got a solution from byjus, and the solution is they have an application platform subscription in Telegram. There actually they post the questions along with the answers, and we can actually use it or read it with our talkback. I want to show a short demonstration of that in my mobile phone. I use talkback. This is the question. If we click on any of the options, okay, then it will read out. It will read out the options, and equivalently they have the answers as well. So here they have a YouTube channel where they are showing for the general students, and they have a Telegram channel where they are actually posting the questions so that disabled students can read, copy, or do anything OCR such as OCR they can extract from here. So in this way it becomes much more easier and a solid solution to read from online resources. Thank you so much.
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.